Hello students, in today's class we will discuss some more organic interconversions from the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now let us discuss a question. Again, how will you convert ethanol to but1YNE? Ethanol to but1YNE. Now ethanol means alcohol. So first we will write down the structure of the starting reactant. Ethanol means obviously this. Okay, ethanol, this is our starting reactant from where we have to start our reaction. Now the end product, what we have to get is but1YNE, means it is a triple bond obviously. Okay, so but means 4 carbon, and 1YNE means triple bond at one position. Triple bond at one position, as you can see. Okay, so this is your but1YNE which we have to get finally. So this is our destination. We have to reach here starting from ethanol. Okay, so what we will do, first we will convert this ethanol into a halogen compound by giving SOCl2 and pyridine. SOCl2, which you very well know, is called thionyl chloride in presence of a base or solvent called pyridine. Okay, we provide ethyl alcohol or ethanol with thionyl chloride in presence of a solvent pyridine and heat it. What we will get? We will get chloroethane. Now, to convert chloroethane to this triple bond, what we will do? You see, we will provide, this is called ethyne, 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 ethyne. Okay, and we will provide NaNH2, that is sodamide with liquid ammonia and temperature. We will provide this mixture. Okay, we will provide ethyne, ETHYNE, ethyne with NaNH2, liquid ammonia and heat. So what this will do, children, this NaNH2 and liquid NH3 mixture, it will take one hydrogen from this ethyne. Okay, and you will get a base or a nucleophile. You will get a nucleophile. Okay, you will get a nucleophile like this. Okay, so this nucleophile will replace this halogen. And you will finally get product but1YNE. So here also there is a nucleophilic substitution happening. Okay, so what does this NaNH2 liquid NH3 do mixture? This will take one hydrogen, okay, from this ethyne, and you will get a nucleophile like this. Okay, this nucleophile will replace chlorine in chloroethane and you will get but1YNE. Okay, so that is how ethanol is converted into but1YNE. So that's all for today's conversion. Thank you all.